Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to use the autofill feature of Microsoft Excel to autofill certain cells from a regular data. For example, here I have opened a new document in Microsoft Excel and I want to add months in the first column and cell expected sale data in the second column. So what I do, I enter JANUAR, the name of first month January, and then if you carefully look at the corner of this cell, here is a small square, and this is called fill handle. And when I put my cursor right on this fill handle, it changes the cursor sign. So I right click so I left click on my mouse and drag it down to 13th cell and then I drop. You see here December is coming, so I want to fill it till December. If I leave the mouse, all the months are listed and the Excel automatically fill the cells. The same I can do for other cells. For example, if the expected sale in January is 10 packs, I add this over here, and then we expect or we try, we strategize to increase the sale in the every subsequent month by 5%. So what I do, I put the sale equal to the equal sign, then B2, that is the cell in the second cell and in B column, and then I multiply this with 105%. I click enter, right? It is enter, so we have 10.5% of increase in our sale in February, and then I again put the cursor on the free handle and drag it down to December and I leave the cursor. So the expected sale according to the formula of 5% increase is listed in the corresponding column. So this way, if you have a structured data, you do need to enter the data in individual cell. Rather, you can add by using the autofill feature of Excel and would save time and increases accuracy of your data. Thanks for watching.